Presto 12-cup stainless steel coffee maker. Enjoy a delicious brew anytime with this Presto 12-cup stainless steel coffee maker. This model percolates approximately 12 cups of great tasting Java at 1 cup per minute. The Presto stainless steel coffee maker has a signal light that indicates when the coffee is ready. It automatically keeps it hot after it is perked. The beautiful traditional design of this item ensures elegant presentation of beverages anytime. This Presto 12-cup stainless steel coffee maker can be used at home or in the office. The durable material is easy to keep clean. Presto 6-cup stainless steel coffee percolator makes great tasting coffee, fast. Brews 2 to 6 cups of rich, hot coffee. Stainless steel construction. 500-watt classic stainless steel percolator, brews from 2 to 6 cups of coffee. Circulates hot water through grounds, creating that familiar percolating sound. Ready to serve indicator light, detachable cord, drip-free spout, for graceful serving. Automatic keep warm mode, cool touch knob and handle, stay cool bottom. For more information please go to electricpercolatorcoffeepot.com.